and here you can see it is providing us all the content, and also you can make sure I have disconnected my internet. So it is completely loading from the local model which we have downloaded, right? So from that particular model it is providing us all the information. So isn't it exciting? Welcome back. So in this vlog we are going to discuss on how we are going to use the AI in the most easiest and safest way possible going forward. So here I have a question before going forward. You might be well familiar with AI and already utilizing AI through tools like ChatGPT. This comes under the cloud AI. And what if I say you can use the AI even through local way, like in your own laptop? Stay tuned till the end of this vlog and I will clearly guide you how you can do so. What if I say you can run AI like ChatGPT on your own laptop, and that too you don't need any API key, it's 100% local, and even you don't even require internet. Yes, all these things are possible, and even within 5 minutes I will be providing you your own AI tool that you can utilize in your own machine. So why late? Have your own one now. If you are watching this tutorial for the first time, I suggest you to subscribe to our channel, because going forward we are going to do a series of tutorial where we will be also having automation in place. And myself Abhishek, and I'm going to deal with the AI automation series. I'm having around 10 plus years of experience as a senior software engineer. So why late? Let's get started. So here we are going to make use of a tool, and most of you might have guessed the name even. Yes, it's Ollama. Yes, we are going to use this particular tool Ollama and try run AI models on our own laptop. Yes, it is possible, and let's see how we can do so. And the main question is, what is Ollama? So most of you might be not aware like what is Ollama and how it will help us to run AI on our own machine. So Ollama is a tool that helps you to run AI models locally on your machine. And here we are going to download the large language models, and we are going to run them on our own machine with the help of Ollama. So again, what is LLM? In short, LLM is a brain of AI chatbots. So you might be using ChatGPT, Gemini, right? So these kind of chatbots you might be interacting with, and the LLM is the brain of these particular chatbots. So these particular LLMs are trained on large amounts of data, so it can understand and generate human-like responses for you. So whenever you are going to ask a question, it will be generating a clear response in back, right? So this is possible with the help of these particular large language models. And remember, whenever you are interacting with these particular tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and all the other AI tools even, you are talking with an LLM. In coming vlogs, I'll be explaining more in detail on this particular LLM. So these LLMs we are going to download on our own system and try running them with the help of this particular Ollama. And you might be having a question, why Ollama? Why not any other tool? Yes, we do have other alternatives like LM Studio, GPT for All, Cobalt AI, and other text generation web UI AI tools. But the point is, why we are going for Ollama is because of its ease of use. So the usage of Ollama is very much simple. You can just run through the terminal here by providing the appropriate commands, and also you have a lightweight UI. You can just interact with the Ollama tool and get your queries solved. And also it is a model hub. So you are having all the ready-made models available through the Ollama. You can just download them and use them locally in your system without having internet. And also it works everywhere, which means you can download this on Mac, Windows, Linux, and it's a cross platform, I can say. And also the final and the important point I want to just specify it, it's automation friendly. Yes, going forward, we are going to integrate it with Docker and try to run on N8N. We'll try to automate the workflows, and these we are going to see in the coming vlog. So it's a great tool for automation, I can say. So this is the reason why I choose Ollama in this part of the series. And you may get a doubt how these models are being run on Ollama. So Ollama gives you the ability to download the pre-trained models. So you will be having the pre-trained models available in the internet. You can just download them. I mean the models like Llama 2, Mistral. So you will be having a hub. I said right, the second point, the model hub. So out of this model hub, you can pick these particular models and try downloading them, and also make sure it is 100% free. Here you are getting a free models available, so you can download them. And the second thing is you have your own privacy, as you are within your own machine, so your data will not go out, and you can solve all the queries within your own machine, and you don't require internet. So I hope this sounds interesting, right? And let's install it now and explore how this tool works for us. So here this is the official website of Ollama, where you can find the open models and the tool as well. So here we are going to download this particular tool, and it is asking again for the operating system. So I am choosing Mac. So here I have downloaded the Ollama for Mac OS, and I am going to install it now. Now we are going to install the Ollama tool, and within seconds we are going to have that up and running. And yes, I think my tool is now up and running. And let's try to open the Ollama. Here you have the interface of Ollama, and also we said initially, right, we can run this through the terminal as well. So let's open the terminal and try to see here. I'll just try to run Ollama here, and here it is. The tool is now ready, and it is been running on our local machine. And let's try to provide a command like Ollama serve, and it is saying address already in use. So let us try to open this particular IP address here. So this is our local host. Let's try to open it here. So here you can see Ollama is running, and here our Ollama tool is now successfully running on our local machine, and it's time for us to pull the models. And here you can go back and search the models here. So these are all the available models. You can just view all and try to select the model based upon your requirement. For this part of the video, I'm going to download Llama 3 here, and I'll be showing you how to pull it on your local machine. And also you can see the Ollama is running here. Every time you can see the Ollama is started on your device startup. And here Ollama pull, and I'm going to specify the model name Llama 3.1, and just tap enter here, and this will download your model onto your local machine. And these are all the commands here, available commands. You can just utilize them according to your requirement. And also we can create our own model. So in coming videos I'll be showing you how you can create your own model. So creating your model means adding your own customizations. I'm not saying you need to create an entire model. We are downloading this particular model, right? We can add the customizations and then use it. Here you can see the properties of this particular model here. Llama 3.1 is a new state-of-art model from Meta, and which is again from Facebook. So here you can go through the documentation if you want to have more details on this particular model. And let's try to see. And here you can see the status of the model which is being downloaded, and also you can see the model size is 4.9 GB in total. So here our model is now up and running, and here you can see I have disconnected from the internet. And let's try to run this particular model. Hi Llama 3.1, I am giving this particular message. Let's try to see what it will respond back. So hello, what's on your mind? Let me know about Ollama, or else information on Android app development and latest Android version. So this just I want to know the information. So Android app development is a fascinating field, and here you can see it is providing us all the content, and also you can make sure I have disconnected my internet. So it is completely loading from the local model which we have downloaded, right? So from that particular model it is providing us all the information. So isn't it exciting? So this is just I wanted to show you in this first part of the vlog here, and in coming vlogs I'll be showing you much more exciting things. So if you have not subscribed, I suggest you to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell icon so that you will be getting more interesting tutorials, more interesting vlogs on this channel. And for the coding tutorials you can visit this channel Amplify Abhi Coding, where we'll deal with the coding tutorials as well. So I hope you like this video, and for more interesting stuff, stay subscribed to our channel.